Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Tomaso Pantera Group 4 car. It's from Hotwheels Premium and is from the Boulevard set. Uh, I don't know much about the history of the Tomaso. I've heard about it sometimes, maybe seen some videos. So I'm just gonna open the casting and see how does it look, see the details on it. It does say it has real riders, so rubber tires. Let's open it up. While I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So here it is out of the box, the Pantera. And first look, it looks really nice. The yellow black color combination looks really good. And one thing I've noticed here, the windows and windscreen is all black here too, like few other premiums I saw recently. Apart from that, like the paint job, it looks really nice, like the stripes. You got good details. You've got the Tomaso badge. Obviously it's flip up headlamps, so you can't see the headlamps, but turn indicator and looks like a position lamp. They are detailed. You've got the black grille, the side. You've got again the badge. You can see this wheel arches or the flares are mounted externally, so you can see those rivet or screw holes. Rubber wheels, they are different size, as you can see, but they look good, suits the car. Got detailed door handle, and this looks like a vent here. Also the window on the side looks like that's like a smaller window compared, like you know how you get on the rally cars or race cars, something like that. Now let's go to the back. If I'm not wrong, these were rear engine cars, so you got this whole big black piece. Might be wrong, but if I'm not wrong, I'm just saying. So you got detailed tail lamps, which looks good. You got the badging in the back. It looks like vents, and the exhaust steps in the bottom, the 4 exhaust steps. Now coming to the other side, it's almost identical as we saw before. Can't figure out any major differences here. So overall, looks good. Oh, I did miss out on the windshield wipers here. They're nicely detailed. Also like the black seal kind of design goes around the windshield. Looks good. So overall, I would say it's a nice casting. I haven't seen this before. Like, I don't have this in my collection. I definitely have seen this before, and maybe in different color. It moves freely too. So yeah, overall it's a good casting. You might want to add it to your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.